Hey, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to talk a little bit about my experience with Flux Core stainless steel welding. I bought this brand online. It's called Sonelar, and it's E308 LFC-O stainless steel Flux Core wire. Then I started trying to use it as everybody recommends, to use it with the DC electrode positive, and I got really terrible results. So I switched the polarity, and this is what I got with DC electrode negative. I'm going to show you in this video the difference results that I've got, and you can judge for yourself. So I'm going to show you what I am getting here. So I'm based on the internet research. Some people were using Blue Demon, and they said that you're supposed to run it on DC electrode positive, but I'm getting different results with this particular wire. So I'm going to run two beads here on my sample stainless steel. One, I'm going to run it with electrode positive, and the other one with electrode negative. I'm going to show you the difference. So apparently this is this might be brand by brand. Some brand requires DC electrode positive, some of them electrode negative. So I'm going to run both. I'll show you the different results here, and you can judge for yourself. The first one will be DC electrode positive. This is negative, this is positive. I'm running Arccaptain 160. I'm running 70 amps, so just for demonstration purpose here. And this is 035 wire, stainless steel. So just first glance at this, as you can see, the camera will focus. As you can see, the amount of spatter that I'm getting from this, the weld looks pretty strange to me. I'm going to run another bead with DC electrode negative here. So this is what I see for the electrode positive. I'm going to leave it. I'm going to run one on this side here with the DC electrode negative, so you can see side by side what the weld looks like before cleaning. Same parameters, 035, 70 amps. Okay, first glance here, you can see the weld actually penetrated on the other side. See, on the left side, this is the positive electrode negative. On the right side, electrode positive. Both of them had penetration, but on the left side, you can see actually I was running too hot. I actually even penetrated into the material on the other side. You can see the weld ran flat because I was basically burning through, almost burning through, but you can see the difference. I'm gonna turn the heat, the amperage down. I'm gonna put it at 50, and I'm gonna run another bead next to it just to show what it looks like with a lower amperage on the DC electrode negative for this particular stainless steel wire. So it seems like I'm burning through as well. You can see I'm burning through even with 50 amps. So I'm going to lower it to 40. Okay, seems like I'm also burning through here. So at this point, I don't know which one is right and which one is not. Seems like I'm gonna clean them both up, and I'm gonna clean both up and see what we end up with. But it seems like electrode negative is really burning through pretty bad for the stainless steel, even if I lower the amperage to the lowest. Okay, this weld here is with 035 wire, but I changed the setting on the machine to 040 to kind of show. When you put it on 040, it lowers the wire speed and therefore turns the amperage down. So I think this may work. So as you can see, I'm not getting as much penetration even with 60 amp setting on the machine, because that's the lowest you can go on a 040. Okay, so this is a 14 gauge stainless steel keep on that I'm practicing on, and I finally just gave up on using DC electrode positive for the stainless steel with this particular flux core wire, here's what the result that I'm getting with DC electrode negative. So I did one on the other side, I'm gonna do another one here. Of course, because this is a 14 gauge, I have to be very slow, and I do half an inch of bead at a time. So I'm gonna show you what I'm doing here, and I'll show you the end result. So this is the end result of the bead. Of course, the camera won't focus. So this is the weld before cleaning. At least I have a little bit of consistency. Here's the other side of the weld. This other side I did off camera. I'm gonna clean them both and show you what I have. But this is sitting at 55 amps. DC electrode negative 035 stainless steel wire by whatever the name that I mentioned earlier. Alright, so this is the weld after cleaning, just basic cleaning with a wire brush. Of course it has oxide because this is stainless steel wire. This is the other side. You can see it's a pretty decent weld. Um, got good penetration in the back here. I almost burned through on this side, on the left side. But as you can see, it's doable with flux core stainless steel. I don't know how good this is compared to using the gas, but I'm sharing my results here with everybody, but I'd welcome any comments. Here is the results with just a wire brush. As you can see, all the black oxide because of I guess the lack of gas for the flux core. But once you brush it, once you use a grinder or slap disc, it brings the shine back. So not too bad results in my opinion for flux core. Not of course the ideal, but much better than having to carry gas bottles around. This is it for now. Just wanted to share my experience with this flux core stainless steel brand. It seems like it works much better for me when we're going with DC electrode negative versus what I've seen with other brands, like on the internet, people using Blue Diamond, and they suggest to use DC electrode positive, which is the opposite case here. So sharing my experience with you guys, and hopefully that will help somebody. If you like this, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.